Alright, welcome back to the MakeCode Arcade Advanced Livestream. My name is Vivian. I am at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
Oh, I'm Richard. At Richard on the MakeCode forums. What kind of stream is it, Vivian?
This is an RV stream.
Yeah.
Because it's just Richard and Vivian. I guess maybe it's, if I'm driving, it should be a VR stream. And if it's you driving, it should be an RV stream. Maybe that's the...
I like that because then I'm the one who's driving an RV and that is a thing to drive.
I want a VR. Okay, this is a VR stream, which means we're beyond reality. There's no way this is happening.
Very Richard.
Very Richard. Aww. I guess so. Oh, okay. So we have a plan today, kind of. Our plan is moving around and capturing things. And I don't super have like an idea of the gameplay, but like I want the vibe to be us being a little person walking around. We leave things behind us, and then after we enclose it, they'll like reach out to each other, you know?
Yeah, so I was thinking about how to do this enclosed thing, and I think what matters is, so you have like a start point, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's if you go clockwise or counterclockwise, that's how you know which direction to fill in.
Mm-hmm.
Around the start point.
But like, we don't know if you're going to go in a circle or not. You could be doing some weird shapes, right?
Yeah, but it'll still be at the end of the day. The sweep will be.
Okay, sure. So then we just sense that.
Yeah, it's probably pretty complicated. Maybe we shouldn't do this live.
Okay, no. This is my pitch, okay? Okay, let me make a big image so I can draw it out. Are we doing complex algorithms today? Okay, so we have our little person, right? They're walking around and they leave stuff, right? And these are the stuff they're leaving. And then maybe at one point they have to overlap the initial one. Then we'll have an array of all the stuff we left behind. And then we make each thing try to reach out to its halfway point on the other side. And we'll have like a cool GUI animation or something. GUI, not like GUI, GUI like GOOEY, you know? And then this will be captured.
So you mean like they'll all try like to go to the center?
They'll all try to go to each other, like the other one, and anything that touches it gets trapped. And then
how do you know which is the other one?
We'll have an array of all the things we've dropped. And then
so each one tries to go to every other one.
Each one will try to go to the one that's halfway across. So this one will go to this one. This one will go to like...
I see. Okay.
That was my...
Sounds good.
Okay, cool. I feel like that's pretty doable with the tools we have. But mainly I wanted it to be cute. I want this little person to be walking around, dropping stuff, and it's like, this person is harmless. But then you get trapped and you're like, oh no, I was caught off guard. This is not very cute.
They're already pretty cute. It's a cute hat. Hair's getting a little out there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's cute. Okay. Let's do the rest of it first, and then we'll see. And then let's see. Maybe we'll have it be like, I don't know.
Vivian's using green here. This is kind of a departure from normal. Usually it would be yellow.
I feel like, it's summer, so we want a fresh summer look.
Most people associate green with spring. But
What?
Vivian.
Fresh.
Yeah, that's fair.
Okay, maybe it'll look like this. I don't know. This is not cute, but we'll deal with it.
No, it's cute. Oh, it's waving at you.
Okay, well, let's make this sprite the right size. Where is this? 8x3? Does that mean this needs to be 8? Oh, it does need to be. Okay, what's this one? 10. Excellent. Okay, so we move this person around. If we want to have like an animal main character too, that would also be acceptable. If we want to just switch.
I think we're good for now.
Okay, I also want to do character animations, but I feel like the difference between our streams, Richard, is that you do like the details and your stuff looks nice, and I do the big strokes and end up with something. It's riskier, you know?
Yeah, no, but I think you often end up with good games, like really good games. So
Yeah.
those strategies have their merits.
Well, yeah. These are the flavors that you get with the make. You really have to watch a stream a lot to understand the different, tones, the timbres. No, that's a different.
Timbres.
Is this a better color?
Yeah. By the way, Vivian's got a new cursor, which I can definitely see on the stream.
Yeah. Hi, Hot Like Lip Gloss. We're making a cool game today. I'm just I can't decide on the color for the background.
I like yellow. We don't use yellow very often as a background color.
That's true. Okay, and then we can have like some green slime going across and it'll be cool. Okay, yellow. And then we're moving around and then maybe how do we kick off the slime pudding,
The slime pudding?
Yeah, do we like push A and then you just continuously put down slime until
Ooh, should we have a slug?
Slug as the main character?
Yeah.
That'd be cute. Wait, I don't know. I mean, can we make it a snail? I don't really know what a slug is.
Yeah, we can do a snail.
Okay, cool. I know how to make a snail.
A snail is a pretty straight line to a slug, though.
I don't know about that.
All right. Here is Richard's steps for drawing a slug. We should do a snail, but draw a snail. Remove shell. You got a slug.
But then, we don't know what the snail looks like without the shell. Like, it could be a question mark in here.
Sorry, did you make this a snail with a top hat? Is that
Yeah. This is a classic Vivian character. It's Fancy Snail.
Oh, okay.
I used to draw this on my tests and be like, Fancy Snail, hopes you're having a good day. And then sometimes the test graders would be like, aw, love this, +1. But actually no extra points.
Oh, okay. No, it's pretty good, though. Yeah. I gotta say, I'm a fan of Fancy Snail.
Pro tip for any viewers out there, put Fancy Snail on all your tests. This icon can be anything.
I would often, on homework and things, just draw homework in really interesting letters or something. Because I was bored during class.
Were you too smart for school?
I wouldn't say that.
This is no longer a person. Snail. Oh, this is cute. Okay, much better already. I want to do different directions for the snail. That'll be a V next, I suppose. Okay, so on A button press, we're going to set a variable to be we be sliming.
Should it be while you're holding A, you're sliming?
I feel like you can't stop the slime once you start the slime,
Okay.
Do you think you should be able
you have to?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I guess it could be that it just comes to a conclusion. Once you start sliming, it just slimes until the slime is done, and then you can slime again.
Oh. Or I was thinking maybe if you start sliming, then you move extra slow, so you got to be kind of conservative about it.
Oh, I like that.
Potentially, we'll see. So on game update let's do a loop, I guess. And then if we be sliming, then we're gonna make a new sprite, and it's gonna be of kind slime. And of course,
slime. Wait, are you talking about a slime kind?
Slime kind. Yes. And that's not what I wanted. I wanted this to be 4. And then 3. Slime kind. I don't know. We'll make this and we'll make a new variable, fresh slime. And then we're going to put it to where the snail is. Set. No, we need this block. The snail. Nope. Snail. No the. And then we put it over here. Wait, have you guys seen a snail/slug in real life before?
Yeah. Have you not?
I don't think so.
Really?
I think maybe it's a couple of times, And then...
Do they not have them out here? It used to be you just go gardening, and then there would just be a bunch of snails and/or slugs.
I hear they're a real menace, you know?
Particularly in the morning. You get them more in the morning.
Maybe I need to wake up earlier. Is that the issue?
Maybe, I don't know.
Okay. So I think, let's see. Let's do a variable. This is like fast snail speed. Variable slow snails. Thank you. Okay, fast snail speed is 70. And it's slow snail speed. That's a tongue twister. Let's say 30.
You mean the snow spail speed?
Mm-hmm. And then we'll put this here. Okay. And then how do we decide? Okay. We're going to place a slime here. Maybe I should make this into a function. Oh, well. And then let's make a variable. This is going to be the... bless me. OG... Thank you. The OG slime. And that's going to be fresh slime. And then we're going to have an event. And it's going to be on kind player overlaps kind slime. If the slime that we're overlapping with is the OG slime. I feel like this game's going to run slowly because we're going to make a lot of sprites.
It'll be okay.
Okay. Maybe we'll do like a big image to store things in the end. Okay, if the OG slime equals the other slime, then we be sliming no more. False. And then this speed is going to be this fast speed. Come on. Do I need to push play? I'm sorry.
Oh, this is gonna... Yeah. Because you're overlapping with it when you first create it.
Oh. Okay, let's do timers. Maybe, or we should position it behind you. Or we'll just position it behind you. But then you also have to tell which direction it's moving.
If you use the character animations extension to do the movement, it'd be easy.
Okay. I wanted to do that anyway. So that's 2 birds, 1 stone. Efficiency.
Yeah. You always, when you're making code or video games in general, you want to think about your bird to stone ratio. All right? Really important. But if you look at the back of most video game boxes in the small print, it'll tell you.
Make slime. We're going to put it into a function because efficiency. Make slime. No quarters today. And then we're going to...
You know what I like about... You know what I like about slime?
What do you like about slime?
The word slime is a synonym for make slime. Because you can slime somebody.
Oh. Slime. Make slime. I don't know. I kind of feel like if you slime somebody, you've already gotten the slime, right?
That's true.
These are the hard questions we ask on this stream. If the snail is moving right. This is the first time I've used this extension. I'll have you know. We're going to put the fresh slimes right. This is going to be...
Right to the left. Also, you probably want to use facing and not moving.
Because what if it's moving up and to the right?
Well, it's just if you do facing instead of moving, then you can still put down slime when you're not moving.
Okay. That's a good point. Else if it's facing left. Does it also have facing up and facing down?
Yep.
Okay, facing up. Otherwise, it's facing down. Okay, so if it's facing right, we're going to do the fresh slimes right to be the snail's left. And then the fresh slimes Y is the same as us. Y. Okay, next case. If it's facing left, then the left of the slime is going to be the right of the snail. Right. Okay. And then the Y is the same. Next case. Facing up, then the top is going to be the bottom of the snail. And then the X is the same. We are professionals on this stream. This is small potatoes.
It's true. We're going to get to the big potatoes, though. Don't you worry.
Don't you worry. And then otherwise, it's a bottom and top situation. Bottom, top.
So there's one other thing, is that the facing stuff will only work if you have animations defined for your facing. So I think it's time to draw your snail in different directions.
Yeah. Okay, so wait, what becomes true? Oh, for the first time.
Yeah, you see one loop frames. Yep.
Cool.
And you can also just put in one frame in here, and then you don't have to animate it.
We're gonna animate it. Wait, what was the dimensions? I forgot. 11 by 8.
Classic
11/8. 11/8. Paste. Okay, so how is this snail gonna move? Probably its head, or maybe it gets longer. Well, we can't do that. Probably its head
longer.
What? Yeah, but
I think that works too. Well, not the shelving. That's kind of weird.
We'll fix it. Like that, maybe.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Oh, it's cute. Maybe we'll just make the butt go in a little bit. It's the other way around. This way.
Yeah. Because when he moves upwards, he's just shifting all of himself.
Very good. We find the money for the animation budget. We know how to save when we need to.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's cute. Okay, I'm happy with this. Should it go faster?
Yeah, accounting's giving me the thumbs up. We're all good.
Okay, so this, when it's moving right.
So you want to do moving and facing right.
Like this? Or do I need to make a new block?
No, you're good.
Okay. Now let's do the same for moving left and facing left. And we'll just do a flip. I wish Lizzie were here. She would flip with me.
Flip.
Thanks, Richard.
I wish I had longer hair. I'm sorry.
Okay, so moving up and facing up. Let's make a new animation situation. Perspective. Wait, this is not the color. Why is this shading light green? Why is this the decision we've made?
I don't know. It looks good though.
Oh, yay. Maybe the head should be here. We'll shade like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It either looks like a snail or a scarecrow.
Does the dimension have to be the same for it to be best,
Yeah, but you could make them all square. You'd have to go resize your other things though.
Ah, what a pain. We'll deal with this. This is a stream where we get things done. Oh, okay. And then we'll just deal with this. Does this look okay? Maybe this is here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's better. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. And then when we have a moving down situation and facing down, help. Richard, somebody needs help.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay.
I said, what's the trouble?
Nice. Richard to the rescue. Richard, what would your superhero name be?
Ricky Two Punch.
Whoa.
The first punch is me hitting you. The second punch is me giving you a chance to make your life better. Because I believe that violence is not always the right answer.
That's beautiful. Ricky Two Punch. RTP. Remote Punch Protocol.
Don't tell everyone about my remote punch protocol. It's one of my special moves. It only comes out when I'm in danger.
What's the trouble? Probably they're typing. I'll be more patient. This is why Richard is the hero and I'm the villain. But it's like a Perry the Platypus, Dr. Doofenshmirtz situation where we really like fighting, you know? Okay. There. Oh, I guess I should put a red dot somewhere. Kind of looks like it has blinkers.
What's the red dot for?
The heart.
For the inside of the shell.
Yeah. We'll just not deal with it. Oh, the snail's cute. Thank you. Okay, we're moving. I feel like it should be a bit chunkier when the up and down. We don't have time for this. Let's see. What are we doing? Okay, so we're moving. We push A. We move slower.
Yeah, that's working pretty well.
And then we overlap with the original one. And we're fast again. Okay, now we're going to make a new function. And it's going to be slime, do your thing. And then this is where things get tricky. So how about how are we going to make the slime? What if I make an image where I populate the pixels? I make a sprite and the pixels get filled in. So then if things overlap with it, it'll have to overlap with pixels. And we just keep on updating the image.
Yep.
Cool. Okay.
Yeah, so it's weird. I actually came to the same thing yesterday because Shannon and I were talking about games to make on stream. And we're like, we should do Tron. And we're like, how would we do Tron? And that was the same thing I came up with, which is like, we just do a thing and we fill in the paths on the image. And then when it's overlap, it's game over. You know?
Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Let's do image. We're going to create an image and it's going to be a variable big slime image. Set big slime image to be an image. What is it going to be? Well, we're going to loop over all the slimes and then find the minimum X, minimum Y. And
why not just do 160 by 120?
Because we might move around. I feel like maybe it's like the canvas is larger than just this part. Potentially.
Okay.
Not worth the trouble?
No. If you've got an idea, let's do it.
Well, I didn't think... Yeah.
Also, don't try this at home, kids, if you want your game to run on hardware.
Let me think. So once we have the slime, the image, how do we decide where we're gonna populate? Oh, we're just gonna put the points there, and every time they'll just fill out another pixel. That's pretty easy.
So you just want to get the min X, min Y, max X, max Y, like you were saying.
Yeah.
Set the top and left to be the min X, min Y, and then just plot everything, but subtract the X and Y from the min X, min Y.
Yeah.
On the
Okay, cool. This is totally a sustainable model for us. So let's make variables min X. Make a variable max X. Make a variable min Y. Finally, say it with me. Max Y.
Max Y. we said that at exactly the same time. There's just a delay, it's over the internet.
True. Okay, so let's set these all to min x. Maybe I'll just make it an obscenely large number. Don't want these. E plus. Okay. Oh, was that automatic?
Now it's just a decimal.
Oh.
Yeah, it is automatic.
I was like, wow, what a fortunate.
Just do 99999 or whatever. No, this is good.
Okay, so we're going to be setting everything each time. So set min x to be the minimum of this thing's x, and then the current min x. We're just going to go over everybody and find the best values. That's what's happening here.
Mm-hmm. Those prime USDA proved minimums.
We had to find out which one holds the values though, right?
Oh yeah.
Should we just do the average of all the values? How do we place the sprite at the end?
You just put it at the min x min y.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So then we're going to do min y is this. Okay. And then we do the max. Max x is the max of max x and value x. And we do the similar thing, but for y. This is one of those coding situations where I don't really think about it. And I just hope that it works. You just got to follow the pattern. If it doesn't work, then you have to think about it. That's pain.
I'm watching it. It looks good.
Yay. Okay. So then we're going to create an image. What's the width? Well, it's going to be some math of the max x. Geez, these all look the same. Max x minus min x. And the height is going to be the y's. Wait, so what's Tron?
Tron was it was like the first movie that was mostly computer generated graphics. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And like they rode around on light bikes, and like if you hit someone else's light trail, you were like in trouble. Anyway, I didn't like the movie at all. Some people will be very upset with me for saying that, like Jacqueline. But it had a video game that went with it, where each player has like just like basically a 1 pixel character, and as they move around, they leave a trail. And so player 1 and player 2 just try to box the other one in with their trail, so that because you can't stop, you're always going forward, and you can like turn, Mm-hmm. So you try to make your trail such that the other person is forced to crash into it.
Oh, okay. I think I have seen somebody play this before.
Yeah. There's a lot of different versions of it. It's really fun.
Yeah. So you like the game, but not the movie?
Mm-hmm.
That sounds fun. Snail game.
Well, lots of people like the game. I mean, like the movie.
That's a quarter. Noom, 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 noom.
Mew, 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 mew. Now I can't even do it right because it's just so in my head as mew, 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 mew that I can't.
That is right, Richard. Oi.
It's not.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
I like it when the bot says oof.
Oof. Oh, no. Okay. Well, this is, I need to stop this. Oh, my gosh. Wait. Stop. Okay, there we go. And then this is crashing because it's like always doing this. So maybe we change the OG slime to be not defined. I think that should be fine. I don't think we need it anymore. The OG slime. Wait. Stop, please. Wait. Okay, if this. Oh, refresh. Richard, how do I recover it? Okay.
Huh? Oh.
Okay, I just
it'll
refreshed.
just take a sec. Sometimes Chrome just doesn't like to handle it when the simulator like loops forever. I don't really know what makes it do that sometimes and what makes it not do it sometimes.
Well, okay, let's see. What was I gonna do? I was gonna change this. Oh, maybe this and we be sliming.
Why not just oh yeah, that's a good one.
Easy.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna crash again? No, sir. Slime, do your thing. Why?
Wait. Okay, so set we be slime into
I'm gonna refresh it,
false.
Richard. Sorry.
All right.
Okay, set we be slime into false.
Call slime, do your thing.
Oh, this.
Go to slime, do your thing. Oh. No. Okay, so we're looping over all of the slimes. That's good. Then we create a big slime image, and we loop over and we plot all of the colors. Then we create a new one of kind big slime. Kind of me.
You know what? I'm just gonna try it again. And if it crashes, well, that will make sense. Okay. It's angry.
Debugger.
Please. Oh, that's us.
You might have to refresh.
Okay, I'll refresh again. Refresh.
Okay, now do the debugger before you do the bug.
Oh, good call. Okay, here we go. Crash.
Okay, now pause.
Did I do it too slow?
This is super weird. I don't know what's happening.
Okay, well, maybe I will remove this code just to confirm that's in here. Okay, so there's something wrong with this code. What is it? Let's bring in this bit.
Yes, on Sunday Arduino, that is fun. It happens to me all of the time in Chrome. The Chrome debugger likes to crash.
Okay, now
so it's not that.
Maybe it's this big slime image. Maybe it's like something crazy. Maybe we should console log all these values.
That's a good idea.
Min x. Max x. Min y. Max y.
Ooh, wait, I have an idea.
What?
Maybe try rounding the width and height.
Oh.
We should also see what this prints out.
Okay, should we do that first and then?
Yeah, let's do that first.
Are these reasonable values? Yeah.
It's reasonable to me. Yep.
Then let's do the round.
Actually, instead of round, let's do ceiling. I think ceiling's slightly better.
Okay. Ceiling, create the image. Whoops. This one. Get another ceiling block. Throw out the trash. That's not trash, but it is trash. Don't worry, recycle our trash. Then we do this, and we do this, and I'm just going to trust that this fixes it.
Yeah, we'll see.
Ooh, okay, it works.
All right, that was it. Okay, I'll file a book.
Okay, cool. So then we just got to position it to be the right place. So the slime moving left to be min x. Yeah, get min x. Slime moving top to be min y. Okay, so we have the image now. It is placed properly. So then we will start doing the thing where it starts growing the slime. So on an on-game update, we are going to fill in the slime. Okay, so maybe I should do an OG pass over the image to find the current points and then make a new... Oh, we'll just make a new image. Yeah, we'll make a new image and then copy it over there.
I have an idea, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so for each of the slimes, you know which slime it's trying to go to, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
well,
we just do...
Sorry. Yeah.
I was just going to say, we just do a move to the other location, and then every whatever milliseconds we plot it onto our image, because we have the min x, min y, so we can just plot it on
That's true. I was also thinking, since we're doing it with an image, we could just do a flood fill from each point instead of doing the opposite of the array.
We don't have flood fill.
We can implement it.
You want to implement some BFS?
Yeah, I think that'd be fun. I think for each point that's green, we'll just fill in a new image with the surrounding things. I think it'll be good. I think it'll be fun.
Wait, but we want to flood fill, just fill in the entire image?
Or just like flood fill, step by step. So you just do each breadth.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So then you have some chance of escape if our AI is smart. Okay, so let's go next step in the BFS. It's going to be an image, and we can figure out how wide it needs to be based on the sprite width, because we don't have an image width. And it's going to be slime moving. Why did we call it that? Who knows?
Yeah, I don't really know, but that's what it's called.
That's what it's called. You can't ask people why their names are their names. Well, I guess you could, but you can't ask it in a judgy way.
I mean, the answer is usually the same. It's usually, my parents named me that.
Yeah, that's true. But why did they name you Richard?
I think they just liked how Richard sounded.
Oh. I'm Vivian because they chose my Chinese name first and then picked an English name that sounded close.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and my Chinese name is Wei. Okay, so for index.
I don't know if I necessarily see how that's close.
Like, Wei,
Oh, I see it. Yeah, all right.
And then, okay, wait, this needs to be within itself. And then let's make a new variable. It'll be X. Richard figured this out, that this works. We can drop this in, make a new one that's a Y, and then put this in here. And so if the pixel in our first image is green, then we want to fill in the pixels around it in the second image as green. And it's easy.
Oh, cool. So we're not really doing BFS. We're just kind of making it expand.
Yeah.
It's pretty slow, but it'll be okay.
Slime is slow.
Yeah, maybe put a pause in there, though.
Pause in here?
Yeah, you're going to want to put a pause because it's going to be pretty slow, and otherwise it'll lock your game up every time it does this. So make sure you just put it, like, somewhere in this for loop.
Okay.
A pause for like 1 millisecond or something.
Okay. I'll trust you on that one.
So I'll explain this briefly. So we have threads in our environment in Arcade, and all of our threads have to give up what they're currently doing for another thread to run. So if you want the game to say, actually, I don't think we can do a pause here. That won't work. You should do this inside of a forever.
Okay. Can do.
Yeah. So when we put it inside of forever, we're running inside of a separate thread, and that's usually totally okay, unless you do something on that thread that takes a really long time, because then the other thread, the one that's like drawing things to the screen, isn't going to run, and so your game will just freeze until whatever's happening in the forever thread finishes. So when you're doing something like looping over all of the pixels inside of a big image, which takes a long time, especially if you're like setting 4 pixels for each pixel in the image, that can take a while. It's good to put a pause in there somewhere, which will make your code run slower, but it will let the other thread run.
I see.
Because pause says like, I'm taking a break, you can go and run now, and that'll run until it takes a break, and then you can run again.
Makes sense. +1 y here. And stopped. And then let's do the y -1. So we're just doing like a plus sign of the pixel to be the color. Cool. And then let's do our pause.
You don't need that top one though.
This one? I'm not copying the image. And it's
Sorry, wait. If the color does not equal that, then you're going to make it green? You don't need to set the pixel you're currently on, is what I'm saying.
It's a new image.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, because I figured otherwise it might do like a weird expanding thing. It might jump pixels, you know?
Yep, you're good.
Cool. And then we'll set which image? We're going to set, what did I call it? Some slime moving. It's up here.
Slime moving.
To be next step in the BFS. And then let's also put in a pause here for like 1 second for now, just in case it's like really labor intensive.
You should put it inside the for loop, maybe inside like one but not the other. And you just put it in no, like inside the for loop.
There's a pause here.
Oh, you're right, you're good.
Yeah. This is for each frame. So let's do this and then see it. Oh,
that's sliming.
It's triangles. We'll deal with the shape later. Maybe we'll have like a random element to it.
It makes sense. It should be a triangle.
Yeah. Oh, it's slow. Oh gosh. Okay, stop. Okay, if it's not equal to 0. So what's this? It's just because it's doing this thing for all the pixels, but would it be better if I check to see if the things next to it aren't green?
I don't know. So how slow is it? Shouldn't be that slow.
Pretty slow. Okay, let's do
this.
Is
it making the game lag?
Oh yeah, I'll keep on moving the snail around. Whoops. Come back, snail. I don't know where you are anymore. I lost the snail, Richard. It's just the frames are noticeably not updating.
Yeah.
The bigger it gets.
Oh, right. It's going to get slower every time.
Because we're running it for... yeah.
Because now you're setting more green pixels and you're setting all of the green pixels.
I'll do it.
Yeah, so I think what you should do instead is you should see that if it does equal 0, and if it does, see if there's a green one next to it, and then set it.
Oh, okay, sure. And equals 0.
Well, that's also going to be pretty slow.
What's like the slow is it checking the pixel in the image? Is that... Oh, it's because we're pausing. Let's just...
Take the pause out. Yeah. Okay,
let's
so
put the pause in here.
Out.
And then
No. So put the pause outside the like. So you got 2 for loops going on. Put it outside the middle one. Yeah, that worked right there. No, up one. Oh,
I see.
There you go. Nice.
Okay. Do you want me to put the OG code back in?
Yeah. Just put the OG code back in and let's see if this works.
If it's not equal, because I'm hoping in the future we can make some cool slime effects, make it look shiny.
This might be better. It might be about the same. We'll see.
We'll see. We're not losing the snail this time. Zoom in.
Good. So it's not lagging the game, is it? Like, it's just the sliming is taking a long time, but it's not lagging the game.
Yeah. Okay. Stop this. And then we don't have a good time to like. Okay, we needed to find a place where we're like we're satisfied with our green, and then we destroy things.
Well, so let's every time we find one that isn't 0, change a number, and then we can count out what the percentage of our image is.
Num of slime. That's a good idea. So num of slime by 1. Let's set this to be 0 at the beginning.
Ooh, do you want that to be inside the else or inside just the if?
Yes. Should I change it by 4?
Oh, well, it's not gonna be super accurate either way, I think.
It's just a ballpark probably.
Yeah, I think just change by 1.
Yeah.
It's probably gonna be better.
Cool. And then we'll set this to be the length of this array of sprites of kind slime.
Don't you want it to be like the width height of the image?
Num of slime, and then we'll like find a percentage out.
I see.
Okay. And so then if okay, we'll just decide if this is greater than something, then something. Okay, if it's greater than say like 80%, if it's like about 80% slimed, then we'll stop it. How are we going to stop it? We'll decide that later. Okay, so 80.
So what you could do is like, so we have this if big slime check. So you just want to make it so that if slime moving, I mean. So if you just want to do if slime moving and 80 is greater than this percentage that we're calculating. That just like this inner step just doesn't run.
Yeah, I like it. And this. Okay, then we'll stop sliming. I don't know why it does 2 at the beginning. Do I want to fix it? I don't know. Okay, so slime is slime. I guess we can make the pause longer with the more slime, because I feel like that's how slime physics works.
You can also get rid of the pause 1000 if you want. You can make it shorter if you want. I mean, you can make it like pause 20 and it would slime way up.
Yeah. Oh, that might look cool. Let's try that. Ooh. That's pretty cool. I want some rounded edges. So let's also add in like a % chance of slime happening. Maybe that'll give us some nice edges. Like a 70% chance of slime.
Sure. I have no idea what this is going to look like. I'm trying to imagine it in my head.
I don't know which one the OG slime is. Oh,
that looks pretty good.
Yeah, I don't know why some pixels are
like turning transparent.
Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense to me at all.
Is this Conway's game of life?
No. We're getting there, though.
I feel like we should be hitting the cap where we stop messing with it, too.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there, to be honest.
Is it because I made a weird shape with my slime? Let's try that again. Oh, I know why. Okay. It's cause sometimes we're not setting the OG pixel.
Oh, right.
Okay, so we will always set the color to be the color, but sometimes we will also set extras. This will fix it. We're professionals. Okay.
Nice. Okay, our checking if we're satisfied code though definitely isn't working.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's go look at that.
Number of slime by 4. Slime moving.
You gotta multiply by 100 or divide 80 by 100.
Math. I don't think I would have figured that one out. Oh man. Okay, this is why we come in pairs.
This is why it's not a V or an R stream.
True. Kind of looks like tie-dye. We should make a tie-dye game someday. I don't.
It's still going all the way, isn't it?
Let's make it smaller just for better testing, I guess.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah. Okay, num of slime. What is the squeaky wheel here? Oh, this. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. I'm confused. No. Okay, this multiplication is in the right spot. Num of slime.
Is that a plus? This needs to be a quarterable offense, I think.
No, Richard, it's not my fault.
No, not today. Not today. There's always amnesty for the first time. We decide this is a quarterable offense. But I do this all the time too. This is more a quarter on me than I think it is on you. So
yeah, I agree. This really bites us, and we never think. Now it's just not working at all. Okay, number of slime divided by this.
Yeah, so it's the number of slime divided by the total.
Yeah. Times 100 for percentage. That is greater than 80. It's math. Maybe I'll just console log this value. I don't want to think about it. Let me have the big block, please. There we go.
Probably put it at the end of the forever, I think.
Won't that change it?
I won't change it. We want to know, but this if it's never even going one operation, we'll never see this print out, so we should put it at the end when we set the image so that we know how it is each time it changes.
Oh, okay. I was like, but maybe we want to know why they let this one through, It's never going anymore. Our code is too strong.
That's odd.
This doesn't exist.
Yep.
Everything is broken.
Okay, wait. So slime moving exists, and we're not even getting to the first iteration, right? So what are we setting the initial num of slime to?
To be the length of this array. Should I make it 0? I'll make it 0.
Yeah, let's just do that. It's an approximation.
That's true. It ran once, I think. No, it didn't.
No, we didn't get the console.
Oh, that's true.
What is happening?
I'm going to put this here. Closer to if anything would ever run, it would be there. Okay, it's not running.
Okay. Let's go to where we're calling our function.
This function?
Yeah, so in that function. No. The one where you set no. Yeah, this function. Yeah, you're
okay.
Right. And let's log the width and height of that image just to see what we're like getting, you know.
Log width equals. Where is it? Create image width.
Oh, just get it from the sprite.
But that's new. That's new blocks, Richard.
You can just copy it down from the where you have right down there.
That's all the way over. I'm so lazy. Okay, let's see. What is the width of this? 34, right. 35.
Yeah, wait, go back to your code again.
I should call this height.
Yeah, so I think you need to get it off the sprite so we can actually see what the value is.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, just copy it from down there in the forever.
Oh, I guess it wasn't that far away. Here. And then here. Those blocks are living there now. I want to eat some chocolate.
Vivian, we're really dumb.
What? Why?
Flip the less than into a greater than. I must admit, I don't know why that's being an error.
They didn't make this. Yeah.
Yep, that's it.
It's a small brain stream today. Is a beautiful circle. Wow, look at that slime go.
Yep.
What? Oh, okay. Let's make it a bigger.
It's gonna like super overcount it.
Yeah.
So I think what we could do instead is we could just set num of sign 0 at the top of the for loop, and every time we hit one that's not that, then we just up it by 1.
I'm a motorcycle. Here?
Yeah.
Okay, and then change this.
Change by 1. Yeah, right there. Exactly. We're on the same wavelength. The Vivian Richard wavelength.
True.
That's what they call it. The VR frequency.
At least we're consistent, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's no internal squabbling here.
Stop. Yeah.
That's 80%.
Roughly.
Oh, and it's 2. Well, we made something today. Was it a game?
I hope you liked our slime stream. I think it's a, well, I guess it's not really, but it's cool.
We made leaps and strides. That's what we made. Well, this has been a classic VR stream. Hope you enjoyed it. My name is Vivian. I'm the V of the VR stream, and I'm at Livestream on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Richard. I'm the R of the R stream. R is hard to do.
And